I've been seeing pink blushes everywhere now and I have been obsessed. I've always loved pink blushes. So I'm gonna show you today my 2 favorite pink blushes that are powder. I usually like cream blushes, but I'm gonna show you my favorite pink powder blushes that are my go-tos and that stay on and just look so nice on my skin. One of my favorite blushes is this Valentino Beauty one. This is a beautiful pink. It's a blush and shadow, and it comes with a little brush, which I love because when I get the eye area, which I usually do with this, it's just so pretty. So here it is, it's the eye to cheek, and I'll have a link down below for this as well as the other one that I'm gonna show. I'm gonna put one on this side and then one on this side. I have no problem with using this brush. Go ahead and pick some of this up. It smells so good. It smells fancy. Like if fancy was a scent, it smells fancy. And this right here is just a little bronzer that I had on. I don't have any blush on at all. So I'm just going to add my, oh my gosh, you guys see how beautiful this is? Oh my gosh. It is the perfect pink. And then with this, because it's eye to cheek, you could do this and then bring it right here. So this is a stunner, so worth it. I'm gonna blend it a little more, but this is just giving you an idea of what it looks like. It's so beautiful. As you can see, a beautiful, perfect pink. Let me blend that a little. All right, so beautiful pink. Love this one. I love to add it here. The brush. Whoa! Whoa! How embarrassing! Okay, so next up is the Too Faced. This one is Cloud Crush. I had to double check so I didn't say it wrong. But this is in Candy Cloud. See, this is a beautiful pink as well. This is very buildable. It's also very pigmented. You're gonna see as soon as it touches my face. So this is more of a baby pink. And the other one is, it's a really light pink, but it has a little darker of a tint than this one. But, oh my gosh. So you can see this is more of a softer pink. Like I said, it's buildable. This pink's a little more darker for like night, I would suggest. But they both are just so beautiful. I'm gonna add a little bit more since I told you it's buildable. My camera's dying. My luck. This one you could probably do a little of that too. But both very beautiful pinks. I'll have a link below. And then next video, let's show you my favorite cream blushes because I have a lot. So anyways, thank you for watching and comment down below what your favorite pink blush is. Bye.